welcome to my nursing vlog. My friends want to pick me up. We're going to the first day of second semester. Second semester. This is Karen.
Ano to? Ba't sarado?
The fuck? Muulan pa. Wala tayong payong. So we're here at school.
Dala kami guys.
Pero walang parking.
There's no parking.
Kasi... My phone is...
Kailangan sigaw naman. Bakit kailangan sigawan? Nagbabayad naman dyan. Sigaw na sigaw siya.
Eh, hindi kasi tinitigilan ng tricycle driver.
Hindi mali yun. Dapat patient.
Eh. Gago ka. Pag-grade with Miss Karen Davila.
Anak-anak.
Ay,
Babe.
yay! Eh! Uy, ang bango ng pera ka naman.
Hi daw kayo sa vlog. Hi kayo sa vlog. Hi!
Thank you! Bye-bye!
Merry Pasko! So, ang class namin today, meron kaming Fundamentals of Nursing.
Yeah.
Kaninang umaga.
We had our orientation.
Yeah, online classes.
Then after that, health assessment.
Yeah, health lecture. And then,
coming-
first F2F classes for ethics. Naka-uniform na siya, hindi pa naka-enroll. Over image.
Nakapila na guys.
Mag-enroll pa lang siya. Pasukan na talaga.
No, magpapasa ako na
Clearance.
Yeah, mag-clearance.
Na para bang hindi nagbe-breakout ang skin natin. Kain na naman.
Diba? Parang natural yun sa akin.
Yung lashes. Hindi siya masyadong...
Bakit? Sana daw?
Oo. Shout out to them.
Hi! So we're now in second semester of first year nursing. Right? Pa-platter na ba natin?
Blatter na natin yan. Kaya mag-exam siya kasi hindi siya matanggap kasi dream school niya yun.
Guys, I got cheated on.
I know her and I'm so happy I got cheated on. Mataas kasi yung ego ko, the fact na...
Is he ugly?
Right?
Is he an upgrade? Downgrade?
Ay, yung pinalit sa akin? I don't fucking know, but I'm just fucking happy. Alam mo, masasabi ko dun sa pinalit niya sa akin. Boy, run the fuck out that shit!
Run home.
Fucking run!
Hot ties
Kasi
home.
na hindi na kayang mapag-isa at hindi na kayang mahil sarili niya.
Name drop. Hello, say hi to my vlog. Welcome to the Philippines. Hi, Papa.
I'm here in Swago.
Hi guys! Hi Penelope!
From who? From who? Baby's here. How was your break? This is MJ.
Or are you starting a channel?
Yeah. Would you watch?
Yeah, duh.
Okay,
I
perfect.
love your smile.
Hey, hey. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Are we ethical persons?
Yes, of course.
That bitch.
Oh.
So when it comes to art, when it comes down to cruise.
Closer. Based on people's values and her.
So siguro kung need to make sure that alam mo na may paparating sa para
My friend fucking left me. Karen left me. It's raining. How? Bitch. Guys, naligo na siya. Hi. Hi to my vlog. She got me, guys. She's here. Karen is sad as fuck. You know, it will rain. Raining. Heartbroken. Cheated on.
Hashtag crazy.
pokpok na hindi umiinom. Ako yung pokpok na hindi naninigarilyo.
Ako yung pokpok na hindi marunong magsigarilyo.
Ako yung pokpok na hindi lalakero. Okay, guys, she's gonna be making a channel as well, so please subscribe. I'm gonna put her link
Down below.
yeah, her YouTube channel. Chares. Manen. Leave me now and fuck me late. Parang ang tatay. Day one done. Bye, Karen. Thank you, girl.
3 more to go.
Yes. Bye, ingat.
Hi guys!
Day one of the first week of semester is done. Period. And then I'm gonna film more days for the vlog ski. Good night. Day two, but I'm gonna post the get ready with me video as well on a different video. But this is day two of second semester. My salad is ready. I'm very late. Mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko. This is Nico. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Andiyan na po yung prof namin.
Ay, porkit naka-iPad na kailangan nag-vlog na.
Talaga?
So,
Yung prof namin, professor namin sa health econ. Very much maraming tension.
tenor. Ang ganda ng first impression.
Yeah, ganun. Kasi may narinig siyang may tumatawa. Tapos sabi niya, upo siya mga 5 minutes na. Or 5 minutes na kaupo sa harap. Nakakatawa. Anong nakakatawa?
Nakakatawa. Sige.
Tapos harap na harap to kami. Babawal na tayo mag-dal image. Tapos major subject pa siya.
Major subject pa. So, baka pag nagdaldal pa, ibagsak ka. Stress agad din.
Para ako namamahiya siya.
Oo, feeling ko nga.
Oh, pero kami fair activity, guys. Introduce yourself. Oh.
Yung first impression ko po, kay MJ, medyo nakaka-intimidate po kasi siya kasi English na po ito si MJ. Yung reply ko like, yeah. Sobrang sarap ang kaibigan, napaka-genuine thinker.
Guys, nandito na si Karen.
So, I'm here again at her channel.
H. Kamusta ang health geek?
Ayun, tuwan-tuwa sila sa performance ko.
Guys, super funny siya.
Tapos hindi niya na-video na maayos.
Oy, na-video
Pangit
ko.
ang pagka-video niya.
Edit
Sana na-video niya yung mga audience ko kasi napasaya ko sila for today.
Okay na yun? Uwi na tayo? So, pag-uusapan namin yung nangyari sa health econ.
Hindi kasi ma-setup yung TV kasi wala yatang balay.
battery.
Yung battery ng remote hindi na siya gumagana. Tapos, palabas siya na ng pinto, naka-coat siya. Sumabit yung coat niya sa upuan. Nagkataon, yung sa first row, sa unahan ko, nagsisitawanan sila, like may pinagkwentuhan sila. Pero hindi naman OA na tawa na nakakaabala
Like, parang
sa
giggles
buong,
lang. Giggles,
Yeah.
you know.
nakakaabala sa buong room. So, sila lang rin naman yung nakakarinig. Pero since nasa unahan sila, parang na-bothered si Madam. And sabi niya, ano nakakatawa? Kanina pa kayo hagit-higat, tawa ng tawa dyan. Ano bang nakakatawa? Kinuha niya yung upuan, umupo siya sa harap ng mga yun. Alam mo, hindi ko kaya yun. Yung kapag sa harapan ko uupo ka, lalo kitang tatawanan talaga. And then,
Kung nandun si ma'am, nasa harap ka, tatawanan mo rin siya.
natatawa ako, tapos sasabihin ko, ma'am, nakakatawa ka na po. Pero nakausap pa siya, di ba? How was it?
Sabi ko sa kanya, ma'am, you're strict po when it comes to buns, earrings, stuff like that. Sabi niya, hindi naman daw. Basta, pag may group work or pag nasa class, kailangan presentable pa rin. Hindi masyadong nakalugay, hindi magulong buhok. Yun o.
Pinag-backstaban niya kaming lahat.
Wala, nagbo-vlog ulit si ate, oh.
70, pwede na to?
19?
70 pesos? Wow, daming baya.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Kapag te.
Papa na tayo.
Saan ka bukas?
Hi guys!
This is Kira.
Like and subscribe.
Hey.
Click the bell.
Just finished. We didn't really do shit. But that is it for today. See you tomorrow. Online class today. So we are staying home. We are chilling like a villain. This is day 3. Good night. Back. Day 4. Hindi na nagsiswalang mukha ko. Her. Ganda. Let's go to school. Her.
So Penelope, what class do we have today?
Microbiology and Parasitology 101.
Yes.
Parang ganda ko today.
Of course.
Charas.
So, for this time, just be reminded with the shorter compared to what we have previously. Okay?
Pag naghahanap kayo ng Spanish bread, hanapin niyo siya.
Hi Karen, bakit iniwan mo kami, Karen?
I'm gonna end my vlog here. I'm really tired, but this week has been just orientation. Wala siyang masyadong lecture. Isang lecture lang. But I hope you guys really liked the video. Please subscribe.